What's up, YouTube? It's November 15th. It's actually the day I just dropped our last, possibly our last dirt bike video of the year. Just because, as you can see, it's freezing. It's about 35 today. I got the 50 warming up because I'm about to just ride it around real quick. We might be getting snow today. So today, we're actually gonna go bring this thing to the local car wash because I haven't been driving it because I've been driving this. So I figured I might as well clean this thing up and take the wheels off, take this front bumper off because I don't want to mess it up in the snow here. As you can see, I already got a nice little chip here. Pretty pissed about, but what are you gonna do? Maybe a carbon fiber over the winter. I don't know. See it at the car wash, but I figured I'd give you a little update real quick. I already showed you the outside. The outside's done. Inside is basically done. If you're following the page or the YouTube or whatever, you know we've been building this whole place. Well, not the whole place, just this addition. There used to be a wall right here, but we built this and we are installing these gorgeous Benpack lifts. I bought it brand new and it should be up within the week. So you guys are gonna see a bunch of builds done in here. I mean, we already have a bunch of stuff planned, but I mean, there's probably at least 3-4 builds we got planned for the winter that's gonna happen right in here. She's cleaned up. We're back. So I decided I'm not gonna take the bumper and side skirts off today because I remembered there's like a little bracket that they had to put across the top that actually they took off of the stock bumper. So I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna get these wheels off. I just recently painted the whole car and I don't want to destroy it this winter, so I'm gonna try and keep the donuts to a minimum, but I figured if I take off all the nice parts, the bumper, side skirts, it'll you know, help a little bit. But yeah, okay, so let's pull this into here. Looks nice in here. I haven't had it here inside the barn in a while. Shout out the guys that helped me. JC Auto Body. Painted the whole car. Deals with fixing all my dings and scratches all the time. Shout out to them. I'm gonna miss this over winter, but I gotta take it off to preserve it. Okay, it's actually the same day that I swapped my wheels, and we got blessed with some all-wheel drive drift lubrication, which is snow. If you didn't know what that was. Going to meet up with my buddy Nick and Phil. I'm gonna give them 2 stickers I got. What do we got going on here?
Yell at this guy. Look at him. He's walking with anticipation.
Bud, you must have just moved the freaking CT, huh? The front of all-wheel drive.
Nice little trying to do.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, just keep it going. Ah, you're good. baby. Sounds good with that new NVIDIA exhaust, I gotta say. Woo. Look at all the snow we got in here. Oh my god, it's packed. Really? Over here.
Circles, you know?
We were wondering where you guys were.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to see him rip it. I just did a couple donuts.
Hey, Skip! Look at the Subies in their natural habitats.
What do we got here? Oh!
I've been meaning to give you those.
Yo,
First
we
snow
need
of
to
the
make
year.
a bigger one. Can we make one that's like...
Now, you know what we gotta do, bro?
Some fat
We gotta
boys.
make the fucking whole window
yeah,
banner
like the
thing.
whole band.
We got the 2.5 RS over here. 2.0 WRX. It's cold.
So much.
Yeah. The Philly mobile. Yeah. Okay, what's up YouTube? It is another Sunday Funday. Today we are actually headed to the local spot again. Probably this week's gonna be the last ride of the year. It's supposed to be like 20 next week. But we're on the 50. Should be a good day. Just got gas. We're ready to fuel up the bikes. I'm waiting for Nick and I believe Eric. We're gonna head over to the spot for another good day. Just arrived in Mexico a little while ago, as you can tell, guys. It's lit up today. I mean, it's 30 and there's mad people out here. It's awesome.
This is a Big Chill Production. This is a Be Chill production.
Matty boy over here doing some donuts. Still have to take these side skirts off, and I gotta take this bumper off.